Do you find yourself wishing your new cat was friendlier and more trusting of you? Cats are more independent by nature compared to other animals and do not rely on your company or friendship. There are several different ways cat owners could get their cat to start trusting them. Here are a few techniques that have been proven to work to get your cat to trust you. Firstly, give your cat its own space. Cats are very independent animals and love to have their own personal space. This is a great way to get your new pet to feel more comfortable in your house and will help them open up to you more. The cat corner could be created with various cat furniture such as a cozy cat bed, a play area or exercise space and a clean space for their food and water. The cat corner should also have a fresh litter box which needs to be cleaned regularly and kept tidy. All these features would ensure that even if your cat is not comfortable around you yet, they are still comfortable when they are in their corner. Next is premium quality food and water. It is crucial to ensure that your cat is properly fed and hydrated with proper meal times set in place. When feeding the cat, make sure to stay with her without being intimidating. This would allow the cat to associate you with something positive such as food and help to grow her trust. Also, make sure to keep the cat's food and water in a place where she is comfortable so that she is not too stressed out or scared when trying to get to her food. Also, play with them on a regular basis. Cats are very energetic and playful animals, who love to play with almost anything. Setting aside time every single day to play with your cat will help to build trust and create a bond with your cat as they would start to associate with you with fun and joyful experiences. This activity will also help the cat to start warming up to you and get closer to you. Before we reveal number 1, please make sure to like and subscribe to Pawsome Discoveries. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications in order to get notified when we post a new video. Finally, give them time. Cats are very independent creatures and love to have time to themselves. It is crucial to make sure that your cat receives the alone time which it wants and is never overburdened with company. Cats can make it very clear when they want to be left alone, such as ignoring you or attacking you when you come too close. Giving your cat their own time allows the cat to relax and take their time before coming back out of their safe spot. This will also help to keep the cat in a good mood and a lot happier. So, there you have it. How to gain a cat's trust. If this video was beneficial, please make sure to smash that like button and share the video. Thanks for watching.